Polyester. Imported. The original wearable blanket replaces loose blankets in the crib for a safer environment, the #1 choice of hospital nurseries to promote safe sleep. Made from a super soft micro-fleece minky fabric with a TOG rating of 1.5, offers just the right comfort for cooler seasons or climates, can be layered with warmer sleepwear for cooler temperatures. Unique, roomy sack design recognized by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute as hip healthy, allows room for kicking but cannot be kicked off, so baby stays warm all night. Inverted zipper opens from the bottom for easy diaper changes, sleeveless to reduce the risk of overheating, arm and neck openings sized for a safer fit. Available here in large size designed for babies weighing between 22 and 28 pounds who are generally 12 to 18 months old and 30 to 35 inches long. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. My superstar sleeper started not sleeping. Someone suggested I invest in a sleep sack. The one they recommended was almost $100. I couldn't justify spending that money, especially since I had no idea how my child would feel about it. Found this and sleep has improved 100%. If you are on the fence about whether or not you should buy this, buy it. It's honestly one of my very favorite purchases.